It's very easy to forget because most shows don't do a different ending every episode with different songs. Okay, this is darker. I was wondering last ending, are they going to go with a certain type of theme or certain type of music? Complete 180 from the last one. Jesus. I'm liking this one. The imagery is cheap. Fucking acid trip quality. I think this, especially the episode we just watched, it matches it. What the fuck? That flipped so fast. It just went from Screamo to... I don't know if I've heard that fast of a shift in a song in a while. My God, that shifted so damn fast.